So when we talk about drill bits, there are three major types of drill bits. We have drill bits for wood, we have drill bits for concrete, and we have drill bits for metal. Today I'm going to show you the three major types of drill bits that we have. So first, we have this kind of drill bit. It appears to have some kind of a bevel at the drilling part. So this specific drill bit is used for concrete. This is a concrete drill bit, and we also have another one here. It's the same. It has the same bevel at the top. So that is a concrete drill bit. We also have this other one. It looks like a concrete drill bit, but it doesn't have the bevels at the top. So this specific one is for metal. This is a metal drill bit. All right, so also have a pack of wood drill bits. And for wood drill bits, they have one characteristic, and is that they have a sharp pointed part at the drilling. It is sharp at that drilling point. So that is for wood. And also these spirals are sharp. See this specific part? This is a sharp part. So that is for wood. So we also have other type of drill bits that have a flat head instead of being this kind of a shape at the front. It is somehow flat. So those specific ones are also wooden drill bits. So there are so many drill bits, but basically these are the most commonly used drill bits.